Hi, I'm Jim Hendricks with Boating Magazine. If you're like me, your boat, like mine here, is your pride and joy, your ticket to freedom and adventure. Whether you keep your boat on a trailer like I do here, or you keep it on the water or on a lift at your house or marina, you want to help ensure your boat, your outboard, your equipment, and your electronics are safe and secure. You also want to make sure your boat remains tied up properly and is not sitting low in the water. That's where the Vosker VKX cellular security camera comes to the rescue. This solar-charged, battery-operated camera can remotely monitor your boat 24/7. You can instantly access video or photos on demand at any time from anywhere thanks to the camera's built-in 4G LTE cellular connectivity. The Vosker mobile app on your smartphone or other device makes it easy to check on your boat day or night, come rain or shine. To me, that's great peace of mind, especially when I'm traveling hundreds of miles away from my boat. With a 90-degree wide-angle lens, the Vosker VKX camera is designed for installation in a spot that overlooks your boat. The VKX comes with all the hardware needed to easily mount it high on a building, a piling, or a pole. Coming soon is a clamp mount, as well as a magnetic mount. Very importantly, the VKX has an IP66 rating, which means it's weather-resistant and waterproof. Best of all, there's no wiring necessary. That's because of the oversized solar panel that charges the internal battery. During extended periods of low daylight, you can charge the internal battery separately. It will last up to 6 months before needing a recharge. Plus, you can always check the battery status remotely on the Vosker app. The VKX has a motion detector to automatically begin recording if it senses an intruder. The camera can send you smart notifications through the app when it senses nearby motion. It will indicate if the motion is from a human, an animal, or a vehicle, so you can take appropriate action. In addition, the VKX incorporates night vision and audio recording, so you can always see and hear what's happening around your boat. The Vosker VKX cellular security camera is affordably priced, only $199.99, plus a monthly cellular service fee starting as low as $10. To me, that's a wise investment in the security of your boat. What's more, the VKX has broader applications. You can keep tabs at the marina, a job site, a short-term rental, or your RV. To me, that's called peace of mind. To learn more, visit Vosker.com. For Boating Magazine, I'm Jim Hendricks.